Alright, so here, let me start it. So basically, this is not actually that hard to beat. So I just had to figure out what software I needed. So what you do is, you need to download this thing called, it's an extension to Chrome. It's called Video Downloader. So you can just search it up like that, and then go to this one, the one that's a Chrome extension, and it's gonna be this, and it has plenty of users, plenty of reviews. I don't know if there's any other ones, but like just use that. And then go back to this page. And so once you have it, you're gonna see it up here, right? And what you do is you can just double click on anything, and you can see that there's no download option like there would be normally, which is what I encountered the first time. So what you have to do is you can't really see, like you can't see Springer's videos from here. If you press on this, okay, now it says you can download this. Wait, what? Okay, wait 1 second. I'm not sure why it says this, but okay, I'll just download that. I'll see what happens. Yeah, you're gonna get an MP4, so you want to download that, and I guess just I'll do it to desktop. Or I'll do it to my downloads, whatever. We'll just see what this is all about.
Well, to instructor of things. So question courses then, I guess.
Is a function.
Box is the
Okay, I guess
that's right.
I guess it's just one of them. So okay, this is the easiest way to do it. I don't know why that randomly happened, didn't happen earlier, but let's just say for this one, it'll probably come up if you press the extension, I guess. I didn't try that before, but what I usually do is I just go here, open a new window, and then press on the thing so you know it's downloading this one for sure. Okay, now it's not working. Why is that? Okay, yeah, I'm not 100% sure what's going on here, but basically just download this extension and then use it. You just have to press on it, and then you can download it from here, and it should work fine. Yeah, I'm not sure why I did that. Like, for me earlier, I could download it that way, like just going on to a new tab or a new window, sorry, like this, and then when I pressed on it, yeah, I'm not 100% sure why, but it's whatever. Yeah, you just need to download this and just play around. It should either be by opening a new tab or by just clicking on it from here. So if you click on it from here and then press on the extension, you should be fine to download it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it, and yeah.